In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and convert voice memos into Google Slides seamlessly, and you'll be glad to know this will only take about 5 minutes. Whether you're preparing a presentation or simply want to make your slides more interactive with audio content, adding voice memos can be a fantastic enhancement. So let's dive right in and explore this step-by-step process. First, let's head over to Google Slides. If you haven't used Google Slides before, it's a free and powerful tool that allows you to create presentations easily. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Slides. You can easily find it by searching Google Slides on your search engine. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your Google account if you're not already logged in. This is a crucial step because it allows you to save your work and access it from anywhere with internet access. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the Google Slides homepage. Here, you have the option to access previously created presentations or start a new one. For our purposes, go ahead and create a blank presentation. This will give us a fresh canvas to work with and insert our voice memo. With your new blank presentation open, your next step is to focus on the top menu bar. Click on the Insert option. This opens up a drop-down menu where a variety of insertion options are available. The one we are most interested in for this tutorial is audio. By selecting audio, you'll be prompted to choose an audio file. This is where your voice memo comes into play. If your voice memo is on your device, make sure it's in a compatible format like MP3 or WAV. You'll need to upload it to your Google Drive if it's not there already. Once uploaded, you should see it appear in the list of available files. Simply select your voice memo and click Select to add it to your slide. By inserting the voice memo, you'll see a small speaker icon appear on your slide. This icon is clickable, and once you click it, the audio will start playing. You can move this icon around to fit the design of your slide, and even resize it if necessary. To customize playback options, click on Format options in the toolbar to adjust settings like playback volume and whether you want the audio to start automatically or on click. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a voice memo to your Google slide, enhancing your presentation with audio. Remember, adding audio can make your presentation dynamic and engaging, so use this feature to your advantage. Thank you for joining me today, and happy presenting.